Nepal. Nepal, a country with gift of nature. A place you will never forget if you visit once. A place praised by every single people in the world. And a place where we love to live. The environment experienced here is very different and unique in every context. It is addressed as bundle of beauty inside a small and beautiful country. Even though being gifted with all the beauty by nature, we have been facing major problems since this month of monsoon. Monsoon is considered as a happy month for all the farmers as their fields will get a chance to grow. Monsoon rain helps the plants to grow and nourish. But this monsoon has become a huge disaster to other people. Not only this year, every year people have been facing a lot of problems during this monsoon season. The never-ending heavy rainfall has caused floods and landslides in many parts of Nepal and even led to destruction of newly built concrete and metal bridges as well. It has been very hard for people to sustain their life in this monsoon season due to these natural calamities that are frequently occurring these days. Many bridges have been destroyed due to heavy rainfall. The rain weakened the soils in the absence of trees in that place and caused destruction of the bridge. The growth of water level in the rivers have reached to highest extent that has been a threat of people living there. We can see the size of river is triple than its normal size since this monsoon. The river has nearly touched the floor of the bridge. The so-called pitch black roads have been destroyed by the rain, making puddles full of water and mud on the road. No wonder the water will cause a huge loss in further days if no changes are made in those areas. The government is not concerned about the poor people and poor construction of roads and retaining walls around the river which can cause a great harm to people. Even in Kathmandu, the capital city of the nation, we can see various overflowing causing destruction to the infrastructure and lives of people as well. The water has been entering inside the houses of people. Neither the problem prevailing in our country now. If this is the situation of nation by natural calamities, what about the poor people under poverty suffering due to pandemic situation? Flood in one side of coin and pandemic in other side of coin. What a bad luck going for the poor ones. Country is in havoc situation. Soigi Nepal has been playing as helping hands to all levels of helpless people, which includes senior citizens, women, children, and even people of young ages.
यो हामीले चाहिँ कसरी सोचिरहेका छौँ भने हामी विभिन्न धर्मका जुन धर्मको भए पनि भगवान मान्छौँ आफ्नो धर्म अनुसार त्यस्तै भगवान माने जस्तै हामीले यस्तो ज्येष्ठ नागरिकहरूलाई हामीले भगवानको स्वरूप मानेका छौँ। तपाईहरु हाम्रो भगवान हो है। हामीले तपाईहरुका निम्ति काम गरिरहेका छौँ। तपाईहरुको हामीलाई आवश्यकता छ। हामीले हाम्रो संस्थाले सकेको सहयोग तपाईहरुलाई गर्छौँ। तपाईहरुका समस्या के छन् त्यो खुलेर भनिदिनु पर्छ।
Soigi Nepal has been running various health camps, has been providing free medical checkups, medicines and nutrient supplement for all the ages, which covers educational camps, providing stationary kits for children and health relief programs, providing essential for daily feast which covers uses also. This week, as usual, Soigi Nepal conducted health camp program since this month of lockdown for people. So in this program, the blessed ones were 18 senior citizens, 34 children and 34 mothers who were checked up with the help of renowned senior physician Dr. Pradeep Diwali.
गर्न लानुभएको छ यहाँलाई। त्यसको लागि चाहिँ अत्यन्त राम्रो लागेर म पनि यहाँहरूसँग चाहिँ आएको। डाक्टरको सबै क्लिनिकहरूमा जाने धेरै थियो होइन। अब यस्तो खालको अनुभव र पोजिटिभ सिनियरहरूको लागि चाहिँ मात्रै आएर यहाँमा जाँच गर्ने हेर्ने होइन यो खालको नयाँ अनुभव मलाई लाग्यो। र के अन्तखेरि म पनि सबै काम गर्नु भनेर चाहिँ स्कुलमा आइरहेको हुँदा सरकारबाट सुरु गर्नुभएको छ, एकदम सराहनीय काम गर्नुभएको छ। र किन डाक्टरको हिसाबले मैले के सहयोग गर्नु पर्यो म चाहिँ गर्न तयार छु भन्ने। र यो संस्थालाई यो समाजलाई मेरो तर्फबाट गर्न सक्ने चाहिँ योगदान म सधैँ गर्न तत्पर रहनेछु।
We provided pediatrician for the children of small ages as they are lacking in this period of time. In addition to that, we provided nutrients, clothes for senior citizens, nutrients, stationery kits for children, and essential goods for day-to-day life of helpless people.
कहिले दुःख नपरुन्, बुढाबुढी भयो भने हामीलाई मानहरू छोराछोरीले हेला नगरुन्, धनी भए गरिब कहिले नभए ल मैले हाँसिँदै कहिल्यै दुःख नपरोस्, मनलाई आनन्द होस्, भगवान्ले आनन्द राखुन्।
खानपान सम्बन्धी केही त्यस्तो समस्याहरू भयो भने अहिले भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ। यहाँ आउँदाखेरि दोस्रो प्रोग्राममा भन्नु होला, अनि समाधान के सकिन्छ गरौँला। सबै समस्या समाधान गरौँला भनेर भन्न सक्दैन, सक्दो समस्याहरू समाधान गरौँला।
We would like to heartily thank Maya Foundation and Foundation D Kranche for their continuous support. We expect more continuous support in the future. Thank you.